So here we have concluded the topic related to the Kalman filter. If you want to learn more about the battery management system, then we do have our website, which is basically matlabtech.in, where you can go and register for this particular course. If you check in the website matlabtech.in, right? So there in the course section, you will have your different courses. So one course is related to the battery management system, and here only you will be getting very detailed analysis and visualizations in the topic related to the battery management system. And we frequently support on the doubts on this particular course. Currently we are updating the course as well as bringing up new content. If you are interested to learn something new from your side, please feel free to share it in the MATLAB Tech support email so that we can create the same content with a good visualization, so that it will be helpful for you also to learn something good which will be applicable to your career improvement as well as to start any new research after understanding the concepts. Have a great day ahead, and thank you and happy learning.